Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to use the brush and to change the color for the brush. It's pretty simple. Let's do this. So right now I have a red color for my brush and I have a layer selected. I'm going to go on that and let's just say I'm doing whatever I'm doing and I want to change this color. There's a few different ways we can change this color. We can either, if we want to change what we've already made, we can go to the layer and double click that and change it by a color overlay. See right there. We could go change that way any way we want. We could also change by the number if we want to. If we have a specific color number in mind, we can use this as well. Let's say we just want to create more layers. We can either go on this same layer and do a different color through the swatches. We can just select a color from the swatch. And it doesn't work because I'm using the color overlay. So if I undo the color overlay, it'll show the different color. Now if we want the color overlay on one layer, on one of those lines but not the other, then we would need to do a different layer. And now we could do the brown and that will show green. So again, you can use the color overlay to overlay your current layer with a color. Or you can use the swatches. I'll go ahead and select a different color right here. Also, you can use right here the color option. If you don't want to use the swatches, you can use this to select whatever color you want. Another thing you can do is to get the eyedropper tool right here, and you can select colors from your background. And I use this a lot. I use the eyedropper to get matching background colors a lot in my designs. So see there? Now I have the same color as that. Go back to this and let's say I wanted to use this color right here as a labeling color. And I also see right here it has that color selected. Since I used the eyedropper and I selected that color, now I can even do shapes and it will come out the same. And there you have it. That's how you change your brush colors, whether it be through the layers, color overlay option, the colors, or the swatches.